Hi and welcome. My name is Oliver Farago, and today I would like to invite you to the place where I've spent the happiest moments in my childhood. We used to come here with my parents to cycle around this lake next to me, to go to an adventure playground where I could climb up the castles, and most probably all that had a very strong impact on my life's mission, because I love to go into nature and I would like to inspire people to do the same thing. And today I'm going to show you around. There's a bird park here. There are buffaloes, there are wild deer and wild boars. And also I would like to invite you to journey into the 4 pillars of our life's purpose and our life's mission. Would you like to come along? Okay, let's go. A couple of months ago, I shared a video with you with the title Invitation to an Inner Journey, where I asked you some questions. And today is the day to continue with the series. Right now, I'm here, as I said, at one of the most beautiful places I've known as a child. And the question is, what is my life's purpose? What is my life's mission? Why am I here? What is there that gives my life a sense? And what can I contribute to make this the world I would love to live in? And for that purpose, I would like to share the 4 pillars of our life's purpose or our life's mission, which I've discovered. And if you find that there are more pillars, please get in touch with me. And I'm really curious to know as much as possible about this topic. Okay. Here's the first pillar of our life's mission and our life's purpose. And the first pillar is our gifts and talents. Have you ever sat down to discover your talents or set out to see what you do really well? Many people don't know what they do well, and usually there's a couple of reasons for that. And one reason for that is that what we do really well is not very much appreciated by our environment and by our family, and usually we repress that and put it into the box, and because of that it might get very difficult to use those talents. And the question is, if you remember that you've been criticized, laughed about, ridiculized, or even punished for something you did and for something you might have loved to do. Okay, this was the first pillar. See you soon. And here's the second pillar of our life's mission. And the second pillar is the things you love to do. Do you know what you love to do? A lot of people, when asked this question, don't have an answer because they've completely lost touch with that. And the same as the first question, what are your gifts and talents? Usually it's also the same, that what we love to do is criticized or not appreciated by our environment, and we think that it's something bad and not very valuable, and we also put it into the box. And when the time comes to dig it out again and we start doing that and using it, we often feel very ashamed, because a lot of times we're ashamed for what we were doing back then. Okay, this was pillar number 2, and see you at the next stop. And here's pillar number 3. Pillar number 3 is the question of what is really essential for you to live a fulfilled life. Is there anything you would love to have experienced before you leave this planet? Is there something you would really love to achieve? And it's also very important to be clear that it's not an egoic need or an egoic objective, because it won't be really satisfying. Do you know Ted Turner? Ted Turner is the founder of the CNN news channel, and he was elected Man of the Year on Time magazine. And he got up on stage with the magazine in his hand, and he pointed into the audience and at his face, and he asked the following question: "Father, is this enough?" And a week later, he announced that he's found out that he had wasted 60 years of his life doing something he really didn't love in order to satisfy somebody else's needs. Okay, and here's an example about something that could be essential for you. I can only talk about myself, and for me, inspiration is really essential. To feel inspired and to inspire. And also multiculturality, because I love to speak foreign languages and I love to surround myself with people from all over the planet. And also a big drive for me is wisdom discovery, to discover the hidden parts of everything. Okay, I hope you like this, and see you in a moment. And here's pillar number 4, and I think it's a very important one. Pillar number 4 is the question: why do I do what I do? And why do I want to do what I want to do? You might come up with an answer, and maybe you could try to dig a bit deeper. And most probably you will find that a big motivation for you is to get recognition, to be seen, to feel important, and to get approval. And it's very important to know those motivations. Also, very important fact is to dig and find the most painful experience in your life and the most difficult experience in your life, because that usually turns into big motivation to change things and do things differently and do exactly the opposite of what you've experienced. And also, your strongest yearning or the biggest lack in your life can turn into very big motivators. If there's a lack of friendship, a lack of community, a lack of appreciation, or you feel very lonely in your life, you might feel very inspired to build spaces where people can meet, where people can make friends, where people can build community, and where people can feel appreciated. I myself, I love to offer spaces where people can open up. Okay, I hope you had a good time with this video, and there are going to be a lot more videos coming up very soon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like, and hopefully see you soon. Take care, have a good time.